Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of dropshipping, a super simple way to start an online business without needing to hold any products yourself. If you've been curious about how to make money online with minimal upfront costs, this one's for you. Let's break it down. Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products without ever handling them yourself. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and list products from suppliers. When a customer places an order, you buy the item from a third-party supplier at a lower price. The supplier then ships the product directly to your customer. You never need to store, package, or ship anything. It's pretty straightforward. Choose a niche. Pick a category of products you're passionate about, whether it's tech gadgets, beauty products, or pet supplies. This helps keep you motivated and makes marketing easier. Find a supplier. Use platforms like AliExpress, Salehoo, or Oberlo to find reliable suppliers. Make sure they have good reviews and offer fast shipping options. Set up your store. You can easily create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Choose a theme, add your product listings, and you're good to go. Market your products. Use social media ads or SEO, which stands for search engine optimization, to get your products in front of potential buyers. Instagram and Facebook ads are popular for driving traffic to dropshipping stores. Process orders. Once an order is placed, purchase the product from your supplier and they handle the rest, shipping the item directly to your customer. Pros of dropshipping include low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory up front. You only pay for products after making a sale. There's no need for storage. Since the supplier ships directly, you don't have to worry about storing or managing stock. Plus, there's flexible location. You can run your dropshipping business from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Dropshipping is easy to start, but it has some challenges. Competition, because it's so easy to get started, dropshipping is competitive. You'll need to stand out with great marketing. Shipping times. Depending on your supplier's location, shipping can take longer than customers expect. Be clear about shipping times to avoid complaints. Lower margins. Since you're buying the product from a third-party supplier, the profit margin might be smaller than if you were selling your own products. Choose winning products. Research trending products and those with high demand but low competition. Provide great customer service. Respond to questions quickly, and make sure your customers feel taken care of. Test and adjust. Experiment with different marketing strategies and product listings to see what works best. Keep refining your store to improve sales. That's dropshipping in a nutshell. It's a fantastic way to start an online business with little risk and a lot of flexibility. With the right strategy and some persistence, you can build a successful store without ever touching the products yourself. So, are you ready to start your dropshipping journey? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. See you in the next video.